Today is the day that destiny has promised us. No longer will we suffer the abasement and the corruption of the foreign barbarians. Please, do not let the Empire fall. Now we will strike at their very heart.
Our moment of triumph is at hand.
Our next attack will sever that thread like a katana's edge.
Excellent work, Commander. It is now time to take the fight to the enemy.
We take control of their hearts and minds. Then they will have no choice but to bend to our will.
They are assembling a joint task force to attack our mainland.
Battleships have arrived, Commander. Use them to crush the enemy from their rear position. We will annihilate the Soviet army and turn Moscow into rubble.